All right, just a quick check-in as to what the market is up to, 22,128. Let's get in those chartbuster ideas as we've seen a recovery. Kunal Bothra joining in with just that. Kunal, what's your chartbuster call?
Well, it's a stock which I recommend in the morning, and that's HUL. I think it's a fantastic chart for HUL because the stock after quite some time has managed to make a very strong comeback above the 200-day moving average. Now, this is the significance of the chart patterns for HUL. This red line which you can see is the 200 DMA. For the last 5 months or so, I think from December end towards January, the stock was reeling below this long-term moving average, and it was going through a downward trending fashion. For the first time yesterday, the stock gave a breakout, confirmed a breakout. That's where we start to get a lot more bullish once the stock reached its 200-day moving average. And historically, we've seen that whenever the stock has come back towards the 200 DMA, it's actually managed to break past about the previous highs and make a fresh high for itself. So far, HUL has been doing exceptionally well. Today also, I think it's up so far 8%, more than 8%. I strongly believe that the stock should be able to come back to the previous highs of 2,700 and go much higher above those levels. So bullish on HUL.
No surprises there to see that defensive tilt continuing to remain evident. Kunal, that's your chartbuster call, but what's your stock idea?
So I'll recommend 2 buy calls. The first one which I'm suggesting is a buy on Vector Foods. Now, apparently the stock has actually moved up significantly higher in just the last 15-20 minutes or so. So I would probably revise the targets for Vector Foods to now 1400, 1420 from current levels, and stop loss could be tailed to almost 1300 for traders who are looking at a fresh buy. And the other stock which I'll be very bullish on from a short-term play would be Metropolis. I think that stock is also showing some signs of recovery. A strong bullish hammer formation yesterday. Today the stock is doing reasonably well, but bullish for a target of 2010 with a stop loss to be kept at 1870 for Metropolis.
All right, thanks very much, Kunal, for taking us through all of those top recommendations. We'll wind it down on this edition of First Trades and the Market. Thanks so much for watching.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.